This is the F35B Lightning. It's known as a fifth-generation multi-role aircraft with stealth capability. But with a top speed of 1,200 miles an hour, an operational ceiling of 50,000 feet, and the ability to land vertically onto the deck of an aircraft carrier, to put it more simply, this is the most sophisticated fighter jet the world has ever seen.
Whoa. You can't go past that line. That's 100 million quid's worth of kit. They don't want us near it.
We can't get closer than this to
No,
it?
100 million pounds. How much is that?
2 million quid?
Yeah, chicken feed. What speed's yours, top end?
250.
Yeah, that's about 1,200 miles per hour, that one.
I thought you were supposed to be a fan of the car. You're on the side of the car.
No.
You present the car show.
I'm refereeing. I'm standing off from both of them.
Doesn't sound like it to me. It sounds like you're in the corner of the plane to me.
In the game of top trumps, with that jet in this car, at the minute, this car's not doing that well. But I've got every faith in it round the track. Right, are we ready for this goose, man?
Paddy,
come on.
We agreed no Top Gun.
Don't call me, I'm Maverick. I'm now known as Maverick.
Why are you Maverick?
Maverick's the cool one.
So, now that we'd met the competition, next, the referee wanted to go over the rules of the race.
Gentlemen, pretty straightforward this. We're going to make our way down this straight here, through the orange markers, all the way down there. Going to do a left, then you're going to do a left, down here, another left, along the straight to the finishing line. First across the finish line wins. Any questions?
Yeah, the jet can't quite exactly do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be at 250 feet, 400 miles an hour at this turn. We'll put the bank on. It'll be a limiter pull to get to 35 alpha to minimise the radius of the turn to then parallel the disused runway. We'll roll out level. I'll continue down. Then it'll be another left turn. Again, 7G, 400 miles an hour, limiter pull round the corner to roll out. We'll continue up. I'm not going to make this turn left here. It's too tight. I'm going to continue off. Again, 250 feet, this time at 500 miles an hour to enter this turn. 7G sustained to then bleed down 35 alpha, so you can see the jet skidding around the corner to then roll wings level. 100 foot, 550 mile an hour finish with the car down here.
Let's put that down. Hang on a second. Who's that?
The pilot.
Looks about 18.
They start them young now.
Right. OK. All OK? Yeah? All right. Let's turn and burn, lads. Do you know what that is?
Coffee cup.
Correct. Let's get out of here. Let's do it. Wings up.
With the engineers now poring over every detail of their machines before the race, suffice to say both teams were taking things seriously. And with final checks complete, it was time to take to the track.
Well, that's fairly intimidating.
411, confirmed clearance to take off.
411, clear roll demo, serial 1.
Wow! What a piece of kit. F35 versus Speedtail. It's the coolest thing I've ever done. Look at the thing. It just looks like an engine with a person strapped to the front of it.
Christopher, are you ready?
As I'll ever be.
Here we go then. Ready, steady, go. I'm off.
Really good. Quick start by Harris. He's well in front, the lad.
120, 130. Where's the jet? Where's the jet? Oh my Lord!
Oh, it's done! Come on, Mr. McLaren! Come on, Mr. McLaren! Come on, he's already banked round! I don't stand a chance, he's already there!
Turn 2. Oh, please, just ahead, just by your nose, just by your nose.
Where is he? He's over there, he's over there, he's over there! I'm on the car!
Okay, here we go, last corner.
Oh, he's ahead, Harris is ahead. Blaine's got to do the big loop here. This is where we'll get our time.
Where is he? Where is he?
I can see the F35, no! Got it, no! Got it!
And over the line.
101 complete.
That is one of the coolest pieces of engineering I've ever seen. If I'm going to lose to anyone, I'm going to lose to that.